Hello guys, want to secure your website with HTTPS on Hostinger? Activating SSL is a quick process that boosts your site security and trust. In this video, I will guide you through the exact steps to enable SSL on your Hostinger. So step 1 is logging into your Hostinger dashboard. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the website section and select the site where you want to activate SSL. On your web page's management page, look for the SSL option in the sidebar and click on it to open the SSL management panel because Hostinger provides free SSL certificates for most plans. Now, if you see the activate button next to your domain, click on it to enable the free SSL certificate. Hostinger will automatically install the SSL and no manual file uploads required. Now, the SSL setup usually takes a few minutes to complete. During this time, Hostinger will link the certificate to your domain. You can refresh the page after a while to check if it's active. Now, once the SSL is active, go to the Force HTTPS, toggle and enable it because this setting automatically redirects all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS, making sure your visitors always land on secure version. Now, visit your website and make sure that the padlock icon appears in the address bar, and if it doesn't, clear your browser cache or wait a bit longer for the SSL to fully propagate. Now, if some elements still loads over HTTP, use Hostinger's SSL page to scan for mixed content. You can update old links manually or install a WordPress plugin like Really Simple SSL to fix them quickly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.